Hello guys, so today's question is really simple. So the question given is consider an arithmetic expression of the form a hash b equal to c. So we have to check whether it is possible to replace hash with any of the operators plus, minus, into or divide in order to obtain a correct expression. So here an example is given. If a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, then c equal to 5. So three expressions are given, so we have to check whether any operators can be suited. A plus b, yes, it's correct. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so it is true. So we have to check with all the operators, and if any of the operators matches the answer, then we have to return the answer. So first symbol, what I'm going to do is I'm going to return if a plus b equal to c, or a minus b equal to c, or a into b equal to c, or if any of those option, then a by b equal to c. For this I have to give one more condition because I haven't declared it integer or anything like that, so I'm just giving a percentage b because remainder should be also 0, or else it will give any point values that will not match it. So if any of these conditions satisfy, a percentage b equal to 0, and if this condition satisfied, then it will return true. Okay, okay guys, and we will see again in another problem.